Okay, so I think I kind of lied. I think I have a couple more incoming perfumes. I promise I'm not gonna spend any more on perfume for this year at least. What I have here is the Delilah Blanc by Maison Alhambra. Maison Alhambra, by the way, is a sister company of Latafa. So they make very affordable versions of different scents. For example, like what other content creators say, Delilah Blanc is a shmoop of Valaya by Parfums Des Marley. And we will test it out. So unbox this with me. This is what a box looks like. Plain and simple, very clean. And even the bottle, I can say, is very similar looking to that of the Valaya from Parfums Des Marley. Here it is. And in terms of packaging, I have to give it to Latafa and its sister company Maison Alhambra. They make very good packaging. The packaging of their products are very nice. So what I have here, remember when I unboxed my Yara by Latafa? I was so surprised with how good the bottle looked like. This comes off. It's very nice. Atomizer. Very nice. Very well made. Oh, love it. I love that perfume. And now the moment of truth for Delilah Blanc. Remember, I haven't smelled this, and I bought this only because of the comparison to Valaya. And the fact is, I've only smelled Valaya exclusive and not the original Valaya. So let's see. In terms of the atomizer, let's see if it's... That's very nice. Oh, wow. Oh, there it is. There it is. You won't smell it at first. Oh, there it is. Oh my god, I love this. I'm so glad I haven't spent on Valaya exclusive, but eventually I'm gonna buy that. I love that fragrance, but oh wow, I love this. So the notes of this perfume are here. I'm going to compare it with Valaya and just check for yourself out why it's being compared to each other. I have competitors for YSL Libre Intense, and of course I just unboxed this. This is the Tiffany & Company Rose Gold Intense, I think. Intense, yeah. I love these. Of course, I'm still loyal to my go-to, which are Nova by Mugler and of course Luna by Penhaligon's. But yeah, these are the ones that I like so far, quite recently, and this is a new addition. So yeah, let's just watch out what's in store within the next few days or weeks or months. Bye!